South Korea's benchmark KOSPI broke past the 8,000 mark for the first time during early trade on this Friday, before closing its session lower on profit-taking. Our economics correspondent Kim Jun-hong reports.
Korea's benchmark KOSPI passed above the 8,000 mark for the first time ever during trading on Friday. The index closed at 7,493.18, down 6.12% from the previous session. The move above 8,000 came roughly 10 minutes after the opening bell, just 7 trading days after first breaking through the 7,000 mark. Yet sharp swings dominated trading throughout the day. The index seesawed between gains and losses before falling as much as 7% from the previous session during trading, triggering a sell-side sidecar at one point. Unlike the previous rally led by the country's chip giants, Friday's gains were powered by a wider group of market heavyweights. Samsung and SKhynix both ended lower, while shares of LG Electronics and Hyundai Motor moved higher. All of the gainers are part of the broader AI value chain, including sectors tied to memory chips, energy, and semiconductor materials.
One of Friday's key themes was growing attention to LG Group's shift toward AI-focused businesses, which helped lift related stocks. More broadly, Korea's market continues to see strong rallies in companies tied to the wider AI ecosystem.
During Friday's session, foreign investors continue to take profits from major chip makers. Given the outsized influence those semiconductor heavyweights have on the benchmark index, the broader market was also dragged lower by the selling pressure. With the record-breaking rally largely driven by the country's chip giants riding the semiconductor supercycle, overheating concerns and the risk of heightened volatility continue to fuel caution in the market.
Volatility in Korea's stock market has surged sharply. Historically, the gap between intraday highs and lows averaged around 1.4%, but recent swings have widened to 3 to 4%. That marks the third highest level since the global financial crisis and the pandemic.
Brokerages at home and abroad are raising their KOSPI targets, with some even talking about the index reaching 10,000. But with market volatility, attention is now on whether the rally will cool off or move higher. Kim Jun-hong, ArirangNews.